You're forward thinking. You know the future of event organizing is now, but pulling off a successful online event is tough. Almost 40% of marketers run into technical problems. Introducing HeySummit. HeySummit integrates with the tools you love to take the heavy lifting out of planning and executing seamless online events. With HeySummit, you can increase engagement, conversions, and revenue for almost any kind of online event. Live summits, fitness boot camps, music concerts, you name it. If you're holding a live session, you'll add a host and then connect a webinar provider. You'll sort your event into categories so your audience can easily find what interests them most. And then you'll add your speakers. They even get their own speaker dashboard where they can update details like their bio, saving you hours. Here they can access ready-made promo banners and swipe copy, or perhaps an affiliate link so your event hits their followers. If you're running a live session, you'll be prompted to choose one of your webinar hosts, and voila, HeySummit creates the webinar for you. You can have your 9 a.m. keynote on Zoom, your 10 a.m. networking session on Remo, your 11 a.m. masterclass from a pre-recorded video, then upload replays so your event profits even after it's gone live. You can then create and sell tickets and fuel your marketing strategy by setting up coupon codes, offers, giveaways, affiliates, and sponsors. You'll stay connected with these customizable email templates that HeySummit will automatically send out for you. You can also customize questions to ask your attendees, then keep track of these responses and view detailed reports on the things that matter, such as your revenue or your attendees' activity. While you're in control behind the scenes, the public see this fully optimized event landing page. This is where attendees can build their schedule or participate in talks. You can get creative and customize this as much as you like. Maybe instead of a speaker, you have a coach, an instructor, or a performer. Just edit one word and it's updated across your event site. Online events aren't restricted by geography, so with HeySummit, you even choose what language you use. HeySummit isn't just an awesome platform. It's an expanding community of event organizers where you can learn and share inspiration. It's a growing directory of thought leaders where we bring speakers and event organizers together in the virtual world. It's a team of experts committed to simplifying the process for first-timers and seasoned pros. Grow and serve your community with HeySummit.